How to claim live rewards on TikTok. Hi everybody, if you're wanting to get the rewards from TikTok, you can follow up the steps. So for that, you can open up your TikTok first and you should be finding this interface on your screen. So what you can do next is, from the given interface in the bottom right corner, you should be finding your profile. You can tap on it directly to head over to your profile page. Once you are there, at the top right corner of your screen, you should be finding a menu button with the three horizontal lines. When you go ahead and tap on it, you should be finding a menu appearing on your screen. So from the given options, you need to go ahead and select the option that says balance, the second option. And when you do that, it will lead you towards the balance sheet. So all you need to do is head over, tap on this option that says transactions. You need to have some balance available, and when you do that, here you should be finding all of your earnings. You can tap on the earnings for more details and you can collect it from here. So that is it for now. That is how you claim live rewards on TikTok following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.